That's a nice lure there, man. Whew. So, Dom, what's your first tip on looking after all your gear? Jono, look, you know, I'm trying to do some research, but anyway, just for you people in TV land, I'll tell you. First thing is rod maintenance. You know, you get those people that try and keep on bending. Son of a bitch. So, rod maintenance is important. What am I going to do with this? Anyway, look. Bloody hell. A bit of super glue might fix this up. And like with most injuries, band-aids will definitely heal a broken rod. Good as new. Beautiful. Fixed up the rod. Oh, fuck. My channel. My next one will be reel maintenance. It's paramount that you've got a good reel, and basically you just need to, you know, make sure it's working, good working condition. You got your drag going alright, and it's actually turning and working. And this one's been busted up. That's no good. And a baited tradesman blames his tools, and a fisherman is probably much the same. So I've got a nice reel here. I've got to make sure it's working in good order. Son of a gun. And one way to fix up your reels, because they could be broken, is get some tools out there and you know, try and fix them up. You know, that doesn't seem to be working. I can't fix it up. And look, there's only one other solution. Is you get a hammer and you fucking beautiful. So a bit of maintenance saves you a lot of money. The old hammer comes handy every now and then. And you've got yourself a nice, good running reel. So Don, what's your next tip on organising all your fishing gear? Oh, thanks, Jono. So I'm just reading up on some new oh shit. Yeah, look, as you can see before, I've got my rods in action on the stands, tackle box all in order, and I like to sort of put them up in the cupboard, so when I need them I can access them nice and easily. And basically this one here is the jewel of my prime. I've got all my equipment in here, and I'm just going to put it up here, so just make sure that it's not... Oh, Jesus! Oh, no. Come on! That's enough! Bloody shit! I love this kind of stuff now! Hey Dom, you okay, mate? Jeez, you took a bit of a beating. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm okay, no problem. Just don't ask too many questions, will you, Johnny? It's, you know, part of the training, you know, the movie, blah, 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 blah. Okay, go. So, no worries, I'll recover. So, stay tuned for my next tip. Fishing adventures. Bitch, if I find you, Johnny, you're gonna get bashed up. Oh, come on, Dom. It's not fair. It's not my fault. Fucking hurts.